Hello friends, and welcome to the season premiere of Social Skills with Miss Jerry, the online edition. Who would have ever thought you would see me on your screen at home? This is also my first YouTube video, so stick with me. So I haven't seen you in a few weeks, and I really miss seeing you for social skills. But I hope you and your family and your friends are staying well and safe during this stressful time. So I thought, since we've missed out on social skills together, what a great way to practice our skills together and have some fun through my YouTube channel. So I have my high school friends who are watching at home and my elementary friends who are also watching at home. So I'm going to be having a season for my high school friends and a season for my elementary friends. So my upcoming episodes will focus on social skills, calming techniques, and ways to have fun at home. I know it's a little different because you'll only be able to see me and I won't be able to see you, but I want you to try to practice these together. Okay? So, with that being said, stay tuned for my upcoming episodes and it's going to be so much fun. Okay, well, I look forward to seeing you then, and stay tuned. Please, please, please stay safe and well. Bye for now.